Welcome sa set 3 ng ating UPCAT Mathematics Practice Questions. Again, credits go to Filipino for the material. Number 1, a farmer is raising a hog that weighs 200 pounds when he bought it. He expects it to gain 12 pounds per month. He will sell it when it weighs 200 pounds. How many months will it be before he will sell the animal? So, ang constant natin dito is 20. Ito is the initial weight of our animal, 20. Plus, he expects it to gain 12 pounds per month. So 12 pounds per month. We don't know how many months. Yan. So label natin as X. And he will sell it when it weighs 200 pounds. So pinapahanap sa atin, how many months will it be before he will sell the animal? Alright. So ang gawin natin dito again, this is a simple algebra. So 12x tayo equals 200 minus 20, that's 180. Divide everything by 12. So yung x natin will be 15. That is letter B in our choices. Number 2. 25 more girls than the number of boys participate in interscholastic sports at a local high school. If the number of girls participating is 105, how many boys participated, no? So ang gawin natin dito, 25 more girls than boys. So pag sinabing 25 more, so plus 25 ka. Alright? So yung boys mo, yung B is your boys. Tapos yung B plus 25, then yung girls mo, right? Tapos yung girls mo daw is 105. So etong B plus 25, this is 105. And then how many boys daw yung nag-participate? So solve for B, ang gawin mo lang, B equals 105 minus 25, that's 80. Letter A. The answer is letter A. Number 3. What is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line y equals negative 5x plus 9? So remember, when we say perpendicular to the line, ang slope niyan is the negative reciprocal. So ano bang slope nito? That's negative 5. So what you will do is just multiply it by, just get the reciprocal, So anong reciprocal ng negative 1/5? That is just negative 5 is negative 1/5. Just multiply it by negative 1, it will give you 1 over 5, which is meron ba? Letter C. Alright. Number 4 tayo. Simplify 5/8 plus 1/2 minus 5 over 16. So pag ganito, meron kang fractions na hindi the same yung denominator. What you will need to do first is look for the LCD. Hanapin mo yung LCD para ma-solve mo. Ano ba yung LCD? To find the LCD, what you can do is yung listing na method. No? You can do listing. Lagay mo lang lahat ng multiples ng number. Yung 2, meron kang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then 20. Yung 8 naman, you have 8, 16, 24, 32, and then 40. Yung 16 mo, we have 16, 32, 48, so on and so forth. Now, after doing that, hanapin mo yung least common multiple, no? So, meron kang 16, 16, 16. Yan yung pinakamaliit na common sa kanila. Then what you can do is, lagay ka ng long bar, write your 16. So 16 divided by 8, that is 2. Times numerator 5, 10. Copy the operation plus. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Times 1, that is 8. Kopyahin mo yung minus dyan. 16 divided by 16 is 1. Times 5, that is 5. Then meron ka ng 10 plus 8, 18. Minus 5, 13. So 13 over 16. That is letter... Oh. I think may typo dyan sa choices. But again, this is the correct answer. Alright? Again, the correct answer is 13 over 16. Yan yung ating sagot. Alright? That's again listing method. You can also make use of the continuous division. Ano ba yung continuous division? Ito. Meron kang 2, 8, and then 16. What you can do is, again, multiply mo sila by the, you always start with the lowest prime, which is 2. Divisible ba lahat ba? Lahat by 2? Yes. So, lagay mo dyan 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 16 divided by, tawag na to, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Alright? And then you can still continue. Itong 4 and 8, you can divide it by what? You can divide it by 4, di ba? So, kopyahin mo yung 1. Ano? Copy 1, and then 1, 2. Then since itong 1, 2, 2, wala na yung common factor except 1, you are done. So, ang gawin mo lang, i-multiply mo lang to lahat-lahat para makuha mo yung LCD mo. Yan, lahat-lahat. I-multiply mo lang yan. So, 2 times 4 is 8. Times 1 is 8. Times 1 is 8. Times 2, that is 16. The same thing, no? LCD is 16. And then, the same process. That's number 4. Number 5. Ano to? Subtract and simplify. X squared plus 3x plus 12. No, x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 5 minus x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared plus 11x plus 30. Now again, the same principle will be applied. No, you cannot subtract this unless the same sila ng denominator. Alright? Pero do not be tempted to find your LCD direction. No? What you will do first is you need to factor out yung nasa taas. Ito, factor natin. Ito, factor natin. So how do we factor? I'll start with x squared muna sa taas. X squared plus 3x plus 2. Alright. Pag meron kang ganito, and then you are asked to factor, ang gawin mo lang is you focus on yung constant, yung pinakadulo. Right? This is when yung ating numerical coefficient is 1 dito. Alright? Meron niyang 1 dyan, automatic. So, 2. Lagay mo dyan 2. Ano yung mga factors ng 2? That when added together will give you 3. Di ba 2 plus 1 lang? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, meaning to say, this is just equal to x plus 2 tapos x plus 1. Yung sa taas. Alright? How about this one? X squared plus 6x plus 5. The same thing, 5. Ano yung factors ng 5 that when added will give you 6. Diba 6 and 1 lang? 5 and 1, sorry. Diba 5 and 1? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, lagay mo dito, meron kang x plus 5, x plus 1. Alright? Minus. Sa kabila, ito. X squared muna tayo. X squared plus 4x. Minus 12. Alright. Dito, meron kang minus 12. Alright, negative 12. Ano yung factors ng negative 12 that when added together will give you 4? Dapat positive ang negative yan kasi nga negative 12. So, meron kang 6 and 2. Yung 6 mo will be positive kasi nga positive yan. Mas malaki. So, lagay mo dyan. This is just x plus 6 tapos x minus 2. Alright? And then the last one. Ito, 30. Factors ng 30 that when added together will give you tawag nito 11. Ano ba? 5 and 6, right? So 5 and 6. So meron kang x plus 6 tapos x plus 5. Alright? So ito, and ito, the same lang yan. And look at this one. Ito, common, right? Cancel yan, cancel. Ito rin, makancel. Di ba? Kasi common. So, naiwan na lang sa taas, meron tayong x plus 2 over x plus 5 minus x minus 2 over x plus 5. Now, pansin ninyo, common na sila, di ba? X plus 5. So, this is just equal to x plus 5. Tapos ito, x plus 2 minus x plus 2. Bakit siya naging plus 2? Negative times negative plus 2. So, simplify lang natin. Ang x ma-cancel out. 2 plus 2 is 4 over x plus 5. Ito yung ating sagot, which is, andyan ba? Wala sa choices. What's letter D? Letter D. Alright, letter D. Alright, letter D. So again, that's number 5. Follow for more.